So basic attributes of mobile are known to all. You know, the entire idea is basically mobile has the highest reach, and what we are doing is basically we're trying to use this reach to simplify people's life. Now, what we've done here is a concept of reaching large masses of consumer and making the message, which the government find it really difficult, and make it relevant to people. Now, see, government generally uses traditional mediums to reach audiences. And these traditional mediums are like television, print, and other outdoors. The entire objective is basically to get attention from consumers and change the behavior. Now, what happens traditionally is most of these mediums doesn't appeal to the lower strata of the consumer base, which is where the consumer really wanted, the government really wanted to basically reach. Now, what we did is to ensure that we make a medium more relevant to this consumer, we use mobile as a reach medium. Now, what we did is we basically used the voices of prominent ministry people. So we used the voice of the CM, the deputy CMM to reach the consumers and make an appeal. The appeal was very simple, which they've been doing for several years using different mediums. So I'll just play some of the appeals. We used the voice of Mr. Prithviraj Chauhan, Mr. Pawar, Sanjay Deotle, and Sachin Ahir to basically ask people to change their behavior the way they've been basically doing. Now, I'll just play one of the files.
नमस्कार, मी मुख्यमंत्री पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण आपल्याला दीपावली निमित्त हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो. आपण घरोघरी असंख्य दिवे लावून दीपावली साजरी करतो. या दीपावलीत आपण सारे मिळून एक संकल्प करूया, फटाके न वाजवण्याचा. यामुळे आपण ध्वनी प्रदूषण, हवेचे प्रदूषण रोखू शकतो. चला आपण प्रदूषण मुक्त दिवाळी साजरी करूया. दीपावलीच्या पुन्हा एकदा शुभेच्छा.
महाराष्ट्र प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ व पर्यावरण विभाग यांच्याकडून जनहितार्थ.
So the message were very simple. The message was an appeal to the larger masses that, play the festival by the spirit. So, for example, Diwali, if it is a festival of light, don't use sound. So don't use crackers which are high sound decibels. Similarly, we've done this in 3 occasions. So we've done it around Holi. Now the results, I'll just come down to the results. So the results were incredible. The last Diwali was the quietest Diwali over several decades. The Holi, so Maharashtra had a specific case last year. There was less rainfall. So we appealed, as in we used Mr. Chauhan's voice to make an appeal to basically use less water. So the water, there were significant less consumption of water. Now, this is really what we could do by using the simplistic form of technology and making a large appeal to the general citizens of the state. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.